Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're doing a Cobb Resonated J-Pipe. So I've already got the old J-Pipe off, and it's pretty easy if you have impact and air compressor. But I know if you have hand tools, it's a lot harder. But yeah, it took about 30 minutes to get off with the impact, not too bad. And then we're gonna put this on right now. All right, so I also got some Grimspeed hardware that I'm gonna replace with. You don't want to reuse the same hardware, and this is just easier. Alright, so when you put these Grimspeed studs in there, you just put them in hand tight. So here we go, let's see. Alright. Alright, and just like that, we got all 4 of the studs in. Now let's throw the J-pipe on. Alright, so I went ahead and put a little bit of anti-seize on the first O2 sensor, so I'm just going to put these into the J-pipe before I put it on, and be good to go. So if you get confused, the black one goes first and then the green one goes second. Alright, so this is the Cobb J-pipe. I'm actually installing it there before I put it on because I just don't want to deal with it under the car since I'm on ramps right here. But yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Matches up with the stock one. So let's go ahead and put it on. I've got these heat shields and they go onto that car somehow. So we're gonna figure that out. I think what I might do is just glue them directly to the wing. That way I'll get better traction for the whole shot. And go from there. Alright, there we go. So that's on there now. Alright. So let's go ahead and secure that with a bolt. Oh yeah, dude. I think that goes right there. That way it like protects the other shit or something. Yeah, man, that's some really smart stuff. Yeah, dude. Wait a minute. If I have tools, I don't have to use my hands. Genius level intellect. You dumb bitch. Here we go. Okay, so this is a universal swivel. Universal. I think it's just a 3/8 swivel. Oh yeah, all right. Okay, so we're gonna put that on there. Give her a spin. Give her some spinach. Oh, she's on. She's on, boys. She's on. Okay. So yeah, forget what I said about the fingered approach. Just use tools because tools are good to get things done. Alright, so I'm running an Invida Q300 catback, and this is the hardware that came with that. But for the Cobb hardware, you get these big old thick boys. So we're going to see if those fit. I'll throw the thicker ones on there. If not, we'll go with little skinny ones. Alright. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, I'm going to need the gasket. Otherwise, we're going to have the verbal tune. Okay, you probably can't see anything, but I'm going to do my best. Right. Yeah, that's better. Does it fit? Oh man, we can put them thick boys in there. Yeah, put some of them thick boys in there. I'll save that Invida hardware though. You know. Okay. So let's go ahead and see how we want to do this. I think I'm going to put it that way. Alright. Okay, I'm going to hang this gasket up in here. Alright, here we go. Let's just throw this gasket on there. Alright. And then what you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and leave it loose like that. That way the exhaust can freely exit, and then you'll get this cool flat black paint job under your car. So if you want to do it right, yeah, just definitely don't tighten anything up. All right, well, that ain't going nowhere. Let's finish her off. All right, boys. Last 2 bolts for this